Hey everybody, if you got or you're looking at getting a Treewell motion sensor, or this really works for any motion sensor that you're trying to get to control lights and install, and you're wondering how the wiring works, it's really very straightforward. I'm going to show you. They provide this diagram, but I just wanted to show you a little bit about how it works. So basically, off to the right here that's your power source. So it's either going to be straight directly into a plug or an outlet, or it's going to go through a switch that you can turn on and off. And that black wire is going to be your hot wire that's going to go straight into your sensor. Your sensor is down here. This is your sensor, and up here is your is the light or whatever that you're using, right? So the hot wire is going to go into the sensor, and then there's this yellow wire coming out of the sensor. For other models, that might be red or something like that, and that's going to go to the black wire on whatever light you have, the hot wire on whatever light you have, and then there's the return neutral wire, which is the white wire, and you're just going to wire all that together as seen here into the sensor, to the light, into the power source. And then the last thing is this green wire here, which is the neutral wire, which you may or may not have a third wire that might be green, it might be bare. That's your neutral wire that if you have it, you can go ahead and connect that as well. If you're looking for a good motion sensor at a good price, I'll put a link in the description below.